The data will be in the accumulator. What should be the next? What should be the next? Good, Anand. LDA is the first instruction. Okay, good. Good, LDA is one of the instructions. Then what we'll do? I need to first copy that data to the B register. Yes or no? Now again I'll write LDA 2000 2H. Then I'll write add. What I'll write add B. So these first two data will be added. Now the answer came. I need to add with this. What should I write now? Again I need to copy that data into B register. Again I will write an LDA 2003 and then add T. That means the answer IO that will be added with a 30. Now how many times you need to write this instruction, like the continuous repeated instruction? This instruction, how many times you need to write? Anyone? How many times that instruction should be write from your side? How many times that instruction? Total 4 times, correct? Why the total 4 times? Because here when you add this to one time, answer again will be added over here, again the answer will be added here, again the answer will be added over here. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 times you need to write. Instead of that, what I am doing, same instruction, let it be this instruction only, they are repeating continuously, correct? So what should I do? Writing this, I'll write here MVI C comma 04H, and then I'll write first I'll write 4 times and then I will write LXI D comma 2001H. Why this is instruction I wrote? Anyone can say why the LXI? Why the LXI? Why the LXI? Why the LXI? Yes, why the LXI? What the LXI stands for? Why the LXI? What the LXI instruction will do? Load the data in register pair. Very good, Anand. So the data will be loaded into register pair. Now what I'll do, I'll write like this. LDAX, I'll write D. That means the content, first content will come to the accumulator, and then I'll write, once the data is in accumulator, I'll copy that data of accumulator to the B, and then I'll write LDXD move B comma A, and then I'll write IN. Okay, sorry, I need to add this two data. Okay, first I need to put it INR E. That means in the D and E, the data is 2001, and if I increment E only, now the data is 2002. Okay. Now I'll do this again. LDX, the first data accumulated to the B, increment, and then again need to take the data. Again I need to take first data into accumulator. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll take again LDAX D, and then I'll write add B. Now it will do the addition of first two data, and here I'll DCR. I'm writing the code here now. I'll write DCR C because DCR is total 4 times, and 1 times I reduce it. I'll check J and Z again. Now what do you mean by again? If 0 flag, C is not 0 because the C will be 0, 4. Then again the C will be reduced by 1. It will check whether the C is 0 or not. If it is not 0, it will go to the again. Again it will decrement 0, 2. It will check this flag, 0 flag. Is 0 or not. If it is not 0, it will go to the again. Again C decreases with a 0, 1. And once it is 0, it will go outside the loop and it will complete the program. Okay, so let us check now. But why is the one question, where should you write again in the whole program? In the whole program, where you will write again? Which loop you need to repeat again and again 4 times? Yes, answer from your side. Where should I write that? Where should I write again? Yes, Anand, you and me only are talking, so you can write your answer. Before hold, that is already again. What I mean to say, Anand, that which loop, I need to write it again here. Because if it is, let's suppose initially the C is 0, 4. If I hear the DCR C, that will be 0, 3. Now If it is not 0, again I need to go to this instructions. I need to execute this again in this and again decrement this. Again I will check whether it is 0 or not. If it is not 0, again I will go back. Again I will execute this thing. Okay, this is a kind of a loop. Clear, Anand? Clear, Anand? Okay, so this is what. Now let's suppose if I need to write it for 100 times. Let's suppose 100 data are there. Okay, otherwise, okay, 100 data are. What are the changes I will do? Yes, Rajesh, what you are not understood?
Sir, again
What
command.
are? Hmm?
Sir, again command ક્યાં ઉપયોગ થાય સર?
શું લખ્યું હતું મેં? A comma, what might be? I'll just writing the data now. અહીંયા શું હતું? INR E LDAX D and then I write DCR C jump with not 0 again. If I need right here again, that means if the condition is not satisfied, it will go to this loop. Again it will execute the command. Again the C is not 0. Again it will go to this loop. Again it will execute the command. This is what we call looping, Rajesh. Branching. That's why I wrote the again over here, because I need to repeat this loop again and again. Did you get it on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What if I need to do this like 100 times? What I need to do changes in a program? Yes. Anyone? What if I need to do? What are the changes I need to do? Please, waiting for your answer. Counter. Correct what you say, Anand. Change the value of a counter, the loop will rotate in that way. Okay, now based on this, if I'll ask you to write a program for doing 5 cross 5, there is no instruction related to the multiplication, correct, Anand? There is no instructions to do multiplications. So what you will do, to add 5 times, that means you need to set value of a counter, doing the addition only, but adding 5 times, you'll get answer 25. Okay, writing down the program for sync using branching only. Multiply this 5 cross 5. Write a program for the same, and once you complete, write it down in the chat box. Once you complete, please write it down the answer in a chat box. All of you. It's just an addition, nothing more than that. Very good. Anand wrote. So you took as data as an counter. Mhm. Why you took LXI D05H, Anand? Anand? 05 is decimal number, but when you use the MVI, why you use the LXI? That is what my question. Because in D and E, both it will be 0505. Are you hearing or not? The question is, if you write LXI D comma 05, that means 05 will go to the D and 05 will go to the E. Okay, let me modify your problem statement. I need to do these things, correct? So what I am doing, if you do this addition, how many times you can able to do the addition? 4 times. But as I need to set as a counter, I need to do the addition like this. So let's suppose what I am doing, 0 plus 5 is the 5 plus 5, the 10 plus 5, the 15 plus 5 is the 20 and plus 5 the 25. How many times I had done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I'll start with? I'll start with the MVI accumulator 00H. Otherwise take the B as a 00H, B register. Again take the data MVI C. Otherwise take the data, what the data you have, accumulator as a 05H. Now you will copy this data as a counter. And now what you'll do? You'll do the addition first. ADC you use, add with carry, you'll always use. Add with carry, ADC, ADC with a B. That means 05 plus 0 will be added. What might be the answer? That will transfer it to the B register. So now this data will be in the B. Now what I'll do? Again I need a 5 data. Accumulator is already 5. Okay. I need a copy, 2 copies of this. So what I can do? I will take this. First I will put accumulator as a 0. Accumulator as a 00H. I will write LXI B 05H. So B and C both will be 5. Okay. Now no need to copy this value now. If I'll use this. So B and C registers are 05. Directly I can write, I need a one copy also, because each time I need to add 5. So where I need to put it somewhere in I'll put it into, it's okay, you don't require to put it copy. It's okay, you can put without copy also. You can do the same thing. So what you can do, ADC B. So the data of 0 and 5, this is accumulator, this is B, answer will be added and it will be in the accumulator only. Now without copying it will want to work. So I'll take the copy of B to D also. Now first I'll do ADC B. So first 2 data will be added and accumulator the answer. I'll copy the same answer to the, let it be in the accumulator. Let it be in an accumulator. Answer is in accumulator. And now ADCB, B will be added to the accumulator. DB ADCB, that is added already the data of 5. Okay, then DCR T, because one time I had done the addition. I'll check jump with not 0. I'll go to the again. Where should I write again? If I'll do ADCB, B already have a 0 5H, the data. If I need to do this thing, then I don't require this, correct now. So jump with not 0 again. I'll write an again here only. So this is an addition will be performed. Simple program. Look at the program and doubt. Anand and Raj might be two. Rajesh, sorry. Check, and if you have a doubt, let me know. Anand. When you write an increment, the number never be 0. Remember this. Okay. Number never be 0 when you write INR. Is it clear, all of you? Anand, Rajesh. Okay. Now giving the same problem statement, 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. So you need to do the 5 cube. Okay. So I am putting the sample question in front of you. Do that. I need a 5 cube answer. Okay. All of you complete it fast. Now this answer should be from your side. Cube means directly, Rajesh, why you took 25? You need to take 5 only. 5 cube. That is what you need to do. Again, I am telling I and Z will not use. It's a J and Z. Add B, add E, C, B, J, Z. No, Rajesh is wrong. 25 will not come, Rajesh. Do it with a 5. Anand and Rajesh.
હેલો સર.
Yes, tell me.
સર તમે આ 5 માં ડીસીએલ ડિક્રીમેન્ટ સી કેમ કરીએ સર?
Decrement C કર. J and Z એટલે શું થાય બેટા? If you write J and Z, what does it mean? હું જ્યારે પણ ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન આમ લખું J and Z again,
હા,
અને મેં અગેન અહીંયા લખ્યો હોય
હા,
એટલે શું થાય? જ્યારે પણ જે આની પહેલા જે ફ્લેગ હોય DCRC,
હમ,
if C doesn't equal to 0, C is not equal to 0, that means he will go back. If C will be equal to 0, he will come out the loop and execute next instruction after that. Clear?
પણ
You know
સર
about the zero flag? You know about the zero flag?
યસ સર.
Okay. So whenever you have value 5, you go on decrementing that value. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then it will come to 0. If you go on incrementing, yes, tell me, yes, what is your doubt? Tell me.
સર સીમાં તો વેલ્યુ તમે કઈ નાખી જ નથી પહેલેથી સર.
LXI B નહોતું કર્યું?
એક્સ બી. હા
હા.
સર. હા હા.
તો શું કરે LXI B?
એ પેરમાં 8 બીટ ડેટા
હા,
મૂકી શકે.
એટલે આમાં 05 જવા દે, C માં 05 જવા દે ને ભાઈ.
યસ સર, યસ સર.
ક્લિયર? હવે સેમ ક્યુબ નું ઇમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ કરો જોઈએ, સેમ 5 ક્યુબ. 525. Directly will multiply 25 with 5. 5 times you are doing. It's okay. This is not the way to do, Anand. It's okay. But there is also one of the way to write a program. Okay, now this one is correct. Yes, Rajesh. Two loops rotating. Uh, Good now. T, okay, fine. So we'll complete the lab over here. Write down the attendance in a sequence, all of you. Write down the attendance in a sequence. Yes, no one is there. Anand and Rajesh, you can write. Okay. In a sequence, Write it again from the first number. Who is the first enrollment number? Who is the first enrollment number? Who is the first enrollment? Okay, start with the 57. One by one. Those who wrote can live in a sequence. Those who wrote, they can live. Just Kunal and Nidhi, Rajesh, anything? All of you wrote the attendance? Nidhi, Kunal?